Around the founders, I wanted to ask a question around founders. If you can speak more around Innovator Founder Visa, I think there are a few people that are looking at the founder route, and they're looking at global talent, and it's like maybe I don't quite check the box just yet, but Innovator Founder looks like first question with Innovator Founder Visa, can I move with my team? All right, is the first question. Secondly, can you speak more on the requirement?
Can you move with your team? Hypothetically, yes, but it's not advisable with Innovator Founder Visa because every single member of your team will, when you say team, I assume you mean other co-founders.
Other co-founder.
Yeah, every single one of the co-founders will have to be endorsed individually. So each one will be compared to say, what is your profile? What does the startup need? What is your profile? Does the startup need? Of course, even the financial requirement of the startup at that point will also increase because you need to show that you can pay all of these co-founders the market rates or at least minimum wage in the UK. So yes, hypothetically, it's possible to say, oh, we are three co-founders. All of us want to move to the UK to build this idea. But we generally coach people to say just one co-founder or at least one person should first go for endorsement before the next person applies as well. But you will be judged based on the business plan of the company and then your skill as what is needed for that company to succeed. So each founder has to show what they are bringing to the table if you wanted to do that. The second question was
Around requirements for,
requirement. So
yes.
the three key requirements is you need a business plan that is adjudged as innovative, viable, and scalable. But if we start drilling down, how do you show viability? You have to show viability in one way or the other, and it cannot just be on paper. And that's why you would do, and I'll start from the lowest to what we sort of generally recommend. Market assessments, market survey is something that you may want to do. But when you do market survey, please and please and please don't go and ask the question, will you use this application A that I have built? That is wrong in doing market assessment, and that may not get you endorsed. What you have to do is ascertain that this problem does exist and customers want to be able to get things around the problem. So you have to be able to ask questions around the problem to say by the time we put all of these questions together, the natural answer to this question is this my idea that I am bringing to life? Market survey. But then you may want to go a step higher, right? To say that you've created a landing page, waiting list, and a number of people have decided that, yes, once you launch, they're going to use this, your new product that you are bringing to life. Or you may want to go a step further. You may want to go and actually build an MVP of this idea, a minimum viable product of this idea, or maybe even a prototype of the idea. In the age where AI can help you build an application in a weekend, there's no excuse for you not to have put in some effort into what it is that you said you want to bring to life. Understand that the visa is not there because you want to move to the UK. The visa is there because you are bringing an innovative idea that will create employment, that would help the UK become the technology capital of the world, or at least the financial capital of the world in terms of startup capital of the world, and so on. So that's viability. Scalability, you have to show how this is going to grow astronomically over a period of time, an hockey stick approach to it. Innovation is the biggest one. If you get scalability and viability, but you don't get innovation, you still fail because the visa is for innovative ideas. You are bringing something new. You're bringing something they haven't seen before, particularly in the UK market. Even if you are using the UK market as a springboard for other parts of the world and so on, you have to show that innovation. You have to show that innovation element. You have to show how you are doing something different. You are doing something new. It doesn't have to be a new category. It may still be in food industry, but you are doing something new. It may be in the health industry, but you are doing something new. It may be something where there are incumbents, but then there's a part in what the large organization have that they are not really focusing on. And that's the part that you want to focus on with this, your innovation.